Are there bossy people in your life? And I mean, are they really a pain in the neck? And maybe worse yet, they're your manager or your actual boss. How do we excel as Christians while dealing with irritable people? Well, I'm Clarence, I'm the preacher, and I believe it is possible to work together, train, and actually learn to excel even when we're having to deal with people that are not so pleasant to be around. So, how do we do that? Well, first I have to remind you that Christianity is a straight and narrow road, and the answer that's coming you probably won't like. But in 1 Peter chapter 2, and it's verse 18, Peter tells us to be submissive, not just to those who are kind and gentle, but to be submissive to those who are harsh. So what we do is we ask ourselves, how can I excel as a Christian while being around difficult and harsh people? We're going to take it a step further, and we're actually going to ask, how can I learn to enjoy the process of being a Christian and glorifying God while I'm dealing with bossy people? That takes it to a whole nother level. That's how we learn to excel at Christianity. So, I believe that working together, training together, we can learn to excel. We can handle this thing. We can please God in heaven. But it's not going to be easy all the time. Put your comments below, share the video, and as always, I hope you have a great day.